Hi guys, I hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving. Happy Black Friday. You know, we're doing our Black Friday sale right now. Good through Sunday, so you could use that code Black Friday for 25% off. Some new releases are not included, but they are included for your Black Friday grab bags. So check out the grab bags. They are going like hotcakes. I wanted to show you a sneak peek for next month's releases. Sorry, I've been really busy, so I haven't been able to do like a proper sneak peek for you, but I did want to show you a heads up what's coming. Gorgeous Valentine's Day products for December. So here's the beautiful stamp set that will be in your junior box of the month and your box of the month. And the gorgeous ephemera, this one's in your junior box and your regular box, and also up for sale as individual products starting December 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Gorgeous color palette with the blue and the red. Here's some samples from LV Handcrafted. She made some beautiful cards using the ephemera and the paper pad. And I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving weekend. Relax and enjoy, guys. Hope you can get some crafting done, a little me time. Check out this gorgeous paper pad. I absolutely love it. The colors are so pretty. Don't forget, we'll have a new A2 size card front pack with sentiments in the back that you can use with Teresa's One and Done die. So that will be releasing December 1st as well. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you real soon. Take care. Bye, guys.